everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve, make your videos look dynamic, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device. So once you're already in onto your project, so just go ahead and import the clip when you want to go ahead and add a motion blur. So once you have imported that clip, let's simply drag and drop it in here. So once you've gone ahead and added this onto your timeline, let's go ahead and add in already the motion blur. To do so, click onto the clip in here, and then right after, let's click onto the Fusion tab here. So this should go ahead and open another settings in here, and it will show you the nodes. So what we need to do is you'll just need to go ahead and click onto your keyboard, Shift and Space. So this should go ahead and open something like this. So the first thing that we're gonna go ahead and add in here is optical flow. So just simply type in it in here and then double click it or click on add, and it should go ahead and add it in here. So do the same thing, shift and space again. And then right now, we're going to go ahead and add in the motion blur. So we're going to search here motion blur. So we could see vector motion blur here. Let's add that and click on add here. So right after, it will go ahead and add in a motion blur already in here. So what we need to do is we'll just need to go ahead and adjust the scale in here. So feel free to go ahead and do a preview and then adjust scale again in here until you achieve the scale or the motion blur that you're looking for onto your video. So once you have successfully added that, just do a quick preview, and this is how the video should look like with the motion blur. If you're satisfied already with the motion blur onto your video, then just go ahead and export that. And that is how easy you could add motion blur in DaVinci Resolve, make your videos look dynamic, easy DaVinci Resolve tutorial. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.